What is your problem? Why are you making things more difficult for me? Why did you talk to her like that?
Are you aware you are the cause of this problem you are talking about? Eh? First, you came here with one mad woman. I told you she's a mad woman, you doubted me. Now, she almost killed us. You confirmed it, right? Secondly, now, you brought in this Efulefu woman, this pretender, this one that came here to eat your money and go. I am very sure of that. Now, instead of her to come here and pretend first, because this is her first time coming to this house, instead of her to come and even if this house is dirty, yes, she should pretend at least. No, she came to disgrace her family, saying that the house that me I clean, the house that I take care of every day is dirty, condemning my own efforts. Meaning what now? You want me to keep quiet? Meaning what?
But you haven't given her the chance to prove herself.
She doesn't have anything to prove. First impression matters a lot, and for that I am scoring her 0. You said this your eyes, are they not working properly?
Hey. What do you mean?
What I mean is that you need to go for proper checkup because this your eyes are not using it well. They're not seeing properly. What is all this? In fact, me self, I'm tired. I'm tired of selecting for you. You should go marry anybody you want. I don't care.
Is anybody home? It's anybody home?
Come back here. It's anybody home? Is anybody home? You're looking at me. You're asking that stupid question. Is anybody home? Is anybody home? Look at you. Does that mean that you're not seeing me? Or does that mean that you did not see me? I don't understand. You're not seeing me?
Okay, no. Auntie, pardon me. You know you are too small for anybody to notice you. So I'm sorry.
In other words, you are telling me that your eyes, that you cannot use them, that they are not working again. That your sight, you're having issues with your sight. And I would advise you to go and treat it, go and take care of it now, before you take it to somewhere you don't know.
See, I know that you are ill-mannered and you lack respect, but I won't stand for you to insult me.
It's not ill-mannered.
Oh, wow.
It's not ill-mannered. It's ill-mannered.
Oh, ill-mannered, English auntie. But listen to me, Henry is who I want to see, and he is aware I'm coming.
And you stand there until I'm done with you because I did not permit you to go inside there. I was asking a question and you want to walk away. You have to stand there and allow me ask you the question and you must answer all the questions. Do you hear me? Who called you to come to this house? Who invited you to this house? Eh?
Henry know I'm here and I want to prepare lunch. Nonsense. Stop me if you can.
I just pray you will not cook poison for him. Which, if he will just use you, he will not marry you. You want to bet? He will use you, he will not marry you. That is my uncle for you. You are meant for house chores. You only come to this house, do all the cleaning, do all the washing, do everything and go. Cook for my uncle and go. My uncle knows who he will marry, and me, I know that too. So don't just stress yourself and bother for marriage. You're calling me small, I'm too small, that's why you could not recognize or you could not notice me. I don't understand. Like if they measure me and you now, if they measure us, the gap that they will see will be much. Abi? If they measure 2 of us now, let me see the gap that they will see. If it's not more than 1 inch. Now.
What is wrong with it?
What is wrong? You, what is wrong? Are you okay with the food? Can you finish it? Should I leave my own for you?
Babe, you don't like it. I ordered this food specially for us.
Wait.
This white rice and stew.
You even ordered it. You didn't cook it. You ordered it. You didn't cook it and it's like this. What if you not cook the food?
I don't cook.
Yeah. You don't cook, but you want marriage. You don't cook, but you want to see your life outside. You don't cook, but you want marriage, and you are proudly saying it. Hey! You see, your life don't spoil, finish. I pity you. Sorry. Ndo, I pity you. Look at what you ordered. You cannot cook. You cannot see other good food. It's not like you are the one cooking it, so you are paying for it. You cannot see other good food. Nothing good can ever come out from your life. You're not ready for marriage.
Listen. I will order for something else, okay?
I'm sorry. But trust me, I won't have that little thing insult me.
Hey. My sister is not the thing.
I don't care!
Who owns the fowl?
It's Ichie.
Ichie is Bama. What is happening here?
I was not around. And when I came back, this boy said they saw Agidi carry my fowl from the cage. They pursued her. So I followed them.
It's true, Ichie. We saw Agidi stealing the fowl from Ichie's compound.
Don't fire you there. Shut up your mouth. I did not steal it. You don't know the story behind this thing.
Are you shut up too? Okay, what happened?
Thank you so much for giving me this privileged talk. You see this man, he promised me fowl. He was delayed to give me the fowl. I had to go to the place and take it myself now. I did not steal it.
Shut up. How can he promise you fowl? Are you an Ichie? Do you have any title to your name? How can he give you fowl? Okay, he came to where you are and say, I'll give you fowl, Agidi. I'll dash you fowl. As what?
He did not allow me to finish the story. He did not allow me to finish the story. That is why.
Ichie Bama, please, I'm very sorry. I'm very embarrassed now. Just forget it.
See, Uncle, do you know that man that works at the palace as gate man?
Yes, I know him. That one they call Oga Friday.
Yes. I saw Ichie Bama and that man's wife inside bush. Yeah, you are turning back now. What? You cannot look into my eyes. You cannot look at me now. I saw both of them inside bush. And now he wanted to bribe me so that I will not tell anybody. He promised me fowl. He was still delaying. I went down, took the fowl myself. He said, how did I steal the fowl? How did I steal it?
Ichie Baba. Hey. I hope all of you can now see my niece did not steal any fowl. Bring the fowl. Collect the fowl.
Leave my house.
Sorry.
Leave my house. Leave my house.
We are sorry.
Leave my house. Ichie Baba, go.
Leave my house.
Get out of my house. Imagine.
As tiny as you are looking for fat woman. You want to kill yourself by yourself. I not blame you.
See, all of you shouldn't come here again.
Nonsense.
And you cannot allow me rest in this village, eh? Must you say everything you see?
It's not my fault. Me, I was going on my own journey. I saw him inside bush with that woman. And they were doing bad thing. I had to talk. I would talk.
And must you see every bad thing?
It's not my fault. I was working on my own.
Bring the fowl. Let me sell it and...
Let you sell it and do what?
We use
You are
the money.
greedy. You are very greedy. I wanted to say, let me go and cook it and know what I will give you from it. For supporting me. But you want just show yourself now. Let me go and sell it. Meaning what? I'm not giving you. I'm not even cooking it here. Let me go and sell it and use the money for myself.
Agidi. Agidi.
What is keeping him now? Eh? He knows we're running late.
Why not call him?
I have been calling him. He said it's closed.
Please try him again. At least let's know if we can book a cab. We don't have time.
Cab? Don't even go there. Cab is too expensive. He said it's closed, so let's wait. And Susan, how far? Where is she?
She's close.
Ha! Susan is not helping matters though.
She's close.
I think that's how he knows. I think he's gonna cover your breast. Wait.
Hey. I'm sorry I kept you guys waiting. Hi. Actually I was stuck in traffic.
It's fine.
So, shall we?
Yes, but how far Susan now?
I'm sure she'll catch up with us.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
After you. Okay.
There will be no parking space over there.
Yes.
So it's better you stop here.
Yes, obviously. Thank you so much for bringing us here. So I'll call you in the morning.
It's alright. It's okay. And don't mention. Remember to pray for me.
Of course, we will.
Sure.
We will.
Thank you.
We'll take our leave now.
Okay.
We're late.
Alright. Talk to you in the morning.
Okay. I'll call you.
Alright. Bless you too.
Please help me.
Yes. Just from the outside.
Bridget, this your guy almost delayed us. How was this now?
Why are you sounding as if you had transport in the first place?
Babes, we don't need this now. Let's hurry up. Let's go, we are late. Let's go.
Are you sure?
He has left, let's go. Chief. My very own Chief.
Oh, my baby.
Chief, I hope my friends are enough for your friends.
Oh, that's okay. You did a wonderful job.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But Chief, why did you insist that another girl would join us to make us threesome?
Just an adventure, just a new experience. You don't have anything to worry about, okay? By tomorrow morning, you will smile home because I will oil your account very well.
Chief.
My baby.
You know how to get me.
I know what you want.
When money is involved. Money is involved. Money is involved.
Give me my baby.
Chief.
Oh, my baby.
Chief.
Yeah.
Chief. Are you ready?
I'm ready, baby.
Chief. Thank you very much. I hope we didn't stress you.
No, not at all. You see, as a matter of fact, I feel so happy having a God-fearing woman like you as my fiancé. Because I know in the future, when we get married, you will always back me up with your prayers.
Of course.
Like they say, spirit controls the physical.
Definitely.
So prayers, always important.
Is the key.
Is the key.
And it also says what God cannot do
does not exist. Hallelujah, somebody.
Praise the Lord. You know, there's a reason why we met.
Yes.
I'm very sure God has something for us. And that thing is going to come to pass. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen.
I need to go inside to attend to my customers online.
Oh, okay, no problems. And I have been thinking, don't you think you should open your own church in the nearest future?
No, God has not called me yet. But who knows?
Oh, definitely. So keep expecting this call.
I will if he calls me.
It's all right, my darling.
I need to go now.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I forgot. I almost kissed you, okay?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
It's all right. Pardon my manners.
No
okay?
problem.
So I'll
Take
talk
care.
to you on the phone.
No problem.
All right, darling.
All right.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
What women cannot do
does not exist.
What women cannot do
does not exist. Mommy Jill.
Sister Jill, I am so tired. I'm very tired. Leave lover girl. Homo, that chief bad though. That chief is strong. No be smarting that man do. No be smarting. Huh?
Threesome na your mate. Beg go. Make God no allow us go jam person we go knock us die.
I swear.
Na small money we dey find, make we no go die on top abeg.
It's not even funny.
Tired. But babes, all this kind life we would live so. Don't you think it's time to call it quits? I mean, see fine Bobo now, Mr. Henry. That guy too fresh, oh. Don't you think it's time for you to just let all this go and focus on him? He's ready to take care of you. All you have to do is just make him happy.
Exactly my point. Please help me tell her. What exactly do you want? I mean, Bridget, we are your friends. And you know we'll tell you nothing but the truth, right?
Truth.
I don't think what you're doing to Henry is right. I'm no longer comfortable with it. See, you need to just focus on him. Leave the street thing for us that are still ready to mingle and tangle, you know, searching for Mr. Right.
No problem. Babes, this man they talk about marriage. Let me finish. In they talk about marriage, he won't marry me. You know say if I marry, I no go fit the enter. You know that one now. I no go fit the chop. I no go fit the get fun anywhere again now. Maybe I want to enjoy myself first now.
So, you never tire. I mean,
If I marry, I go tire.
Which side you never see?
My sister never see.
Waiting you never do.
That's so big one like this.
The fun you're talking about, babes, you've had enough. Honestly, if we don't tell you the truth, nobody else will. It's time to call it quits.
Where is all this conversation and talk coming from? Eh? Okay, you call it quit. You go fit. You.
I never see man now.
You never see man?
Fine.
I beg. I don't tire.
Bridget.
Wait. I dey go upstairs, I beg. May I go bath? Mona try, Mona cook food, no chop.
Make who cook food? Who be your mate for here?
No wahala. Carry your tie. Carry your Bible, carry your shoe. When I come from my house.
Whose house is this?
Which house is this? You see they question me. No wahala, I'm not go now.
Oh yeah, no place. I will do the food.
No, I don't like kitchen.
No, I want fried plantain, please.
You want fried plantain? You want fried plantain? It's not plantain. You no go learn English. You dey do work. You want fried plantain? Where you plantain?
Na kola she serving. When you reach kola matter.
This one wey you do this lot sef. You no even pick me.
Wow, I can't believe I signed that deal.
Honestly, I know you will get this deal because you put in too much effort in securing it. But I was so scared, I was so afraid when I saw those men with their mean face. I thought maybe they would stress you or definitely disappoint you.
You know, I've been in this business for quite some time, so you're supposed to know those that are into the business and when they come up with realistic deals like this. Well, aside that, I believe my baby's prayer has been working for me.
Your baby?
Yeah.
Who is your baby?
Hey, stop asking silly questions. Bridget, of course.
Oh, Bridget. Talking about Bridget, I don't even know what is keeping you from doing the right thing. You're supposed to fix a wedding date already, since you are into her like this.
Definitely it's gonna happen soon. Don't be in a hurry. Life na JJ, my brother.
Life na JJ. Wow, congrats, man. Congrats.
Thank you so
this
much.
Deal, man.
Oh, God is wonderful.
Aha! My daughter Bridget, I have been trying to reach you all this while. You are refusing to pick. What happened?
I'm sorry, Papa. I was actually busy.
Okay. I need you to come and carry Agidi. Let her spend some time with you in the city. She has been causing me so much trouble in this village.
What can that little girl do? Just tell me you want me to come and carry her to the city.
Bridget, I don't want to argue with you. Please, when are you coming to pick her? Okay, come by weekend. At least I know you have been busy. Come by weekend and take her with you. Oh?
Okay, no problem. I will. You're welcome.
Better. Let's... Why are you breathing so heavy? What is it? What is good about this afternoon? I sent you to Agaba just to deliver the message that I need some palm wine tomorrow. How many hours did it take?
Uncle, which one, how many hours did it take? When did I leave this house? Has it been up to 20 minutes? I left this house.
It's alright.
You like exaggerating things. I don't like it.
It's alright. So, what did you commit?
I did not commit anything. You can never trust me in this your life. Even when I make money, you will not see, believe me. You like doubting me. I don't like it. I can never. Can't I be innocent for once? Can't I be innocent for once? I did not do anything. I must only see. And once I see bad things, I must talk.
See no evil. Did you meet Agaba?
Yes, I met him. I delivered your message.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Do you know that I saw Ikbama? Guess what? When I saw this man, my mind was dead.
I don't want to hear. Go inside.
Uncle, you don't want to know what I want to say.
I don't want.
I did not see anything. I just want to tell you what I felt. Like, I felt this man was...
I don't want to hear what you felt or what you saw. You must have seen something. Go inside. Get inside. Go! Go. Don't worry. By weekend, your auntie Bridget will come and carry you over to the city. Let me have some rest.
When is she coming, I beg?
Go inside.
I want to go to the city. When?
Go inside. Go inside. She will soon come. Go inside.
For anybody that come here looking for me, tell them that I'm not around.
I know you must have committed. Why are you locking me out?
I don't commit anything. They are just chasing me over.
Why are you locking me? You have seen Onion Chef that will tell them that you are not around. I know you must have committed something. Let me see them come. When they come, I'll tell them.
Wait, oh. This one Papa wants me to come and carry Agidi. I hope she's not going to give me any problem. But no problem. The house is big enough. She can come. Oh, let me continue what I was doing.
You know they agree at all. I beg you no look at her size. Some. Her brain no pass her body.
Hey, my daughter. Thank you for coming. You see, Agidi wants to kill me in this village. She wants to kill me before my time. I'm no longer as strong as I used to be. It's better you go with her to the city. Maybe you handle her better.
It's okay, Papa. No problem. I'm here now. So I'll go with her.
Yeah, it's relieving to hear.
Okay. Where's she?
She went to the market. She'll soon be back.
Oh. Okay. Papa. They're looking good, though.
The village is doing us good. You know, we eat everything fresh in the village. Fresh breeze, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. Unlike the city.
Say, unlike me, I don't eat fresh food because I live in the city, Papa.
It's not, you know, in the city, you people have to eat frozen foods. Some will last 1 week, some 2 weeks before you people eat it. But yeah, we eat them fresh.
Okay, Papa, no problem. You win. So I am hungry and I want to eat the fresh food.
There's food in the house. It's cooked.
Okay.
It's not even me that cooked them. It's Agidi.
Whoa, wow.
As small as she is, she can cook everything.
Can cook?
She's trying.
That's a good one.
Yes.
So, Papa, now that I'm here, I'll take her with me to the city.
That's the best.
So she won't cause you any trouble.
That's the best.
So, I'm hungry, Papa, shall we?
There's food in the house.
Let's go.
Small. Hey! Chino. Yes, it's fine, no?
Let me help.
Hey! Which work are you doing in this city that you have this kind of money?
Agidi, don't worry about what I do.
Big television, no?
Have your seat, sit down.
Mm-hmm.
You're welcome.
That's very fun. I'm not going back to that village again. This is not my new home. Hey!
You came here for holiday, and after holiday, you have to go back to the village.
No holiday, oh. Me, I'm staying here forever. Until I make my own money, I can build my own house and I'll stay there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey!
I'm exhausted. Let's go upstairs. So I'll show you your room, and then I'll go and rest.
My room?
Yes.
My own room. Where would they pack for one room for village? You want to show me my own room? I'm gonna come and show me the room. You must tell me the work you are doing in this city, so that me I will join you. I promise you. You see this work you are doing, you will teach me. You will teach me, and I will do it better than you. I will even do it more than you. I'll make the money. I'll build my own house, and you come to my house and be visiting me.
That's the goal.
Yes.
So can we go upstairs?
Yes, so you will teach me the work.
I'll help you.
Promise me you teach me the work.
I will.
Good.
I'll teach you the work. I didn't wait.
Yes. I know that girls like you used to make money and have your own house.
Of course.
So which work are you doing?
Don't worry about the work. I'll tell you later.
Hi, Little. I guess you are cousin to Bridget.
Yes. And you?
My name is Henry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You look neat and fine.
Thank you. I came to see your sister.
Okay, she's the one calling me. I'm coming! Come inside.
Alright.
I'm coming. See?
Well, I think your cousin is so funny.
Oh, Agidi.
Yeah.
She's always acting smart.
Agidi. Is that her name?
That's her name. Very funny, right?
She's funny too.
Yeah, she is.
My darling, I have really missed you. To me, it's like I haven't seen you for ages.
Babe, it's just 48 hours.
You know I can't do without you.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Okay. What about we hanging out tonight?
I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I just want to rest. Besides, I'm preparing something for us to eat.
Really?
Yeah. You want to go there?
I've been perceiving this sweet aroma. Well, I can't wait to have a taste of it.
Sure, I'll be back.
All right.
So just fill up home, and I'll be back.
Phone.
My phone. Okay.
Agidi no dey gree at all. I beg you no look her size. Sam. her brain no pass her body. Call am small body, big engine. Agidi. Small body, big engine.
What's happening? This one that you are so excited.
So, is it the one you married?
Well, yes. If God says, why not? I mean, it's cute. It's fair. You know, I like fair men. And it's gentle. Rich as well. See, it's kind of melody of our village. You know now.
You can tell me. So, when are you getting married? Hope I'm going to be your little flower girl.
Hey, Agidi, maybe you think you're still a child. You will be my chief bridesmaid. The secondary school you won't enter now.
Don't carry my work as if another person. No, I'm still in for flower girl. I will do your little flower girl.
Says to call and work like they won't pay you for inside. Please go and finish what you're doing inside.
I'm done with what I'm doing.
Agidi, go and finish what you're doing.
Oh.
Agidi, I know you.
Now I want to ask this question now.
Don't even start it. Go inside and do what you want to do. Agidi.
Agidi no dey agree at all. I beg you no look her size. Some. Her brain no pass her body. Call am small body, big engine. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Oh. Agidi jollof. Agidi. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Oh.
Hi, baby girl.
How are you?
I'm fine. I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
This, if you go to work, it's only at night you used to go to the work. And this every day, every night. It's only night shift they used to give people. They don't give you don't go to work daytime or morning. You don't go to work at all. Only night. Which work is that thing that they used to give only night? What do you do for a living? What is your occupation?
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Are you okay? Are you normal? Is everything okay? Because it's just... Are you seeing ghosts? Do you used to see ghosts? It's only me and you that is there now. You're asking me. I'm talking to you now. It's only 2 of us. Are you sure? I'm not insulting you. Are you sure you are okay? Everything is okay with you? Because I'm confused, my sister. I'm confused. This work that you go to every night. What is the name of the work? Let me know. Which work do you do? What do you do? Because I don't understand it now. It's only at night.
Hey, shut up!
What? Bridget! Hey, they never reach out now. They come. I don't say we don't late. I got a job now.
Bridget, who's this girl? Where did you bring her for? Like she has been insulting me.
Me?
Agidi, wait, you know your mate again?
I know insult her. Me Agidi insult you, meaning what? I cannot insult you.
Agidi, you not be mate too.
I know. Why will I insult you? You're my senior. I cannot insult you. I only asked her the kind of business you people do at night. Every day, every night, people are doing this business. And it's only night shift. You people don't used to go to work in the morning or afternoon. It's only at night. That's the only question I asked her.
Agidi, I need to bend this mouth.
Her mouth is too sharp. Please zip the mouth and give me the keys.
What's your problem, sir? Huh? You are always talking. Your mouth is too long. Can't you keep your mouth shut? Well, I don't blame you. Anyway, I'm going out and I'm not coming back till tomorrow morning. I have my spare key, so lock the door behind you. Rubbish.
But wait, I am confused. I asked you that time the kind of work you are doing, and I want you to teach me your work so that I'll be doing. So I need to know the line of business you do so that I will learn fast.
Bridget, her mouths are too sharp.
Agidi, now holiday you come. you not come HK house. I know they do HK house. I know they teach people work. Nonsense. Go sleep. If you not sleep, go read story book. Now what your mates they do. Go. Nonsense.
And this work one that they do now only short thing they do the work.
And they come for you. You don't go chop for money. Don't enter my kitchen.
Una don't tell una self the truth though. I don't understand this kind of work oh. Una don't do ritual. I mean I don't know which time they do a shower work. Una don't know which time they do a shower work for this house. Come here, I don't understand again though. If it's a shower, tell me on time but let me withdraw. Yes, I know that my mind is already telling me the kind of work you are doing, but I need you to say it so that I will confirm. So that I will not go and judge people by your looks. If it's not a shower, if it's just normal night shift work that is paying better money, I'm in. But if it's a shower, count me out. Simple.
Oh my goodness. I am not high, so I'm okay.
You have to kill me!
What are you doing here? Are you not supposed to be sleeping? Eh? Why didn't you lock the door?
If I had locked that door, if I had locked the door, how would you enter inside this house? No, as you enter this house without any disturbance, you don't like it. I wanted to sleep, so I just opened the door so that when you enter freely.
You are looking for my trouble because I remember telling you that I have my own spare key. What's your problem, Seth? Eh?
Sorry. Ndo. What is this young man behind you doing with you? Why did you bring him home?
Okay. What it concern you? Now your house?
Auntie, you want to do bad thing with this boy?
I get to go inside.
Hey!
I get to go upstairs 1. I get to go upstairs 2.
Chibo!
I get to go upstairs 3.
I'm going on! Hey! Marty is being Marty no! By this time of the night, Marty not now. Doing Marty.
Oh, God. Babe, who is that girl?
Be your baby, guy. Calm down.
Who is she?
Leave her, forget her. Alpha, the business is going to do. Wait. Oh, yeah.
Babe, I must say you're so good. I'll see you soon.
Hey, you may leave. See this move go, it means in a relationship in there.
Good morning, Auntie.
Morning, how are you?
Who is that person? Because that's not Mr. Henry. Who is he?
Hey, see problem. So you dey question me for my own house? Whether it's Mr. Henry or it's not Mr. Henry, how is that your business?
Because he do to you.
If he do to me, is it your business? Huh? Must you see everything? By the way, how do you know what is? Huh? How do you know what is?
Literally, I don't know what. How do I know what Nwa is?
Oh, you know what Nwa is?
Who doesn't know what Nwa is?
What is Nwa?
Nwa is kissing. Nwa.
You're becoming a sport child. Hi. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Who was the guy I saw driving out?
Oh, that was my electrician. He came to fix the lights.
Electrician?
Yes.
He must be a big guy driving that kind of car.
Yeah, he is, actually. He on this big contract, sometimes he's busy, but he can come out for me.
Oh, I see. Thank you. I bought you this.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, go inside.
You're welcome.
Go inside.
Why are you scolding her?
Don't mind her. Because she refused to wash the plates last night. That's why I was scolding her,
Oh, come on. She's just a kid, okay?
She's a kid. She's a kid, but she's not a kid. Come on, let's sit down.
It's alright. I decided to come see you before going to the office because I miss your pretty face.
What is even wrong with this, my auntie? Eh? She told Mr. Henry that the electrician guy came to fix the lights. But I saw that guy since last night. Does it mean that guy slept in my auntie's room? It's like my auntie is deceiving Mr. Henry. Abi, is it that she does not like Mr. Henry? But that man is a good man now. He's a good man. He bought me snacks. He used to buy me something, but this one, he did not even buy anything. He just came to follow woman, nothing else. No. My auntie must marry Mr. Henry. He must marry Mr. Henry. Me, I must do it to work.
Babes! Where is she? Why do you need to wait for me outside now? Come here. Just wait for me.
Babes, let me ask you this question again. Are you really sure you want to go out with us tonight?
Which kind of question be that? I'm not hot, Rich. Eh? Which one be am I really sure?
It's because we are worried. It's because we are scared. Bridget, this is not a hotel room where you can hide. It's a public place. What if Henry sees you?
Wait. I don't tell Una before. I'm going to take paracetamol for my problem. What's up with a problem? I don't tell Una. Say, leave me alone now. I mean, wait, all of us in the relationship. If you affect me, it affects you.
Madam,
not gonna calm down.
No vex. Sorry, our mouths are sealed.
Better.
Pim, we will not say again.
No, I'll make we go. Time don't no do again. Yeah.
What about that little witch in your house?
You won't kind of follow body.
You know her mouth is too sharp.
She dey sleep. Make we go. Let's go now. We should not sit down.
Let's go.
We go. Agidi!
I thought you said she was sleeping.
Make she can't lock door now. Agidi! Come and lock the door. Remove your key from the mouth, oh. Make her enter house for money. Don't let me beat you.
Are you sure it's not a shower business this people are doing? Is it not this my same auntie that wants to marry Uncle Henry? What is going on? Is it that she cannot keep her body one place for one man? I don't understand. Hey. So is this business that is giving her all this money? And me, I'm looking up to her. You see life. You have chicken eyes inside somebody's business, somebody's lifestyle, yet you don't know what the person is doing. Look at it. This is the kind of business I want to come to the city and do. A shower business. Let you know what I'm thinking, Sha. Because if it's this a shower business we are doing, it's gone. It's gone.
Hey. My friend. Good evening. How are you doing?
Fine.
I want to see your auntie. She around? Auntie Bridget.
She's not around. But she said you should call her.
Oh. I've been trying to reach her, but not available.
Maybe she's in church. She went to church.
Oh, okay. By this time. Well, just in case she returns, tell her I was here.
Okay.
Good. Thank you. Let me find you something. Use this to get yourself ice cream, okay?
Thank you.
Good. What's your name again?
Agidi.
Agidi. It's alright, Agidi. I'll see you, okay? Thank you, bye.
Lock it very well.
I blocked it down. This you are doing is not good though. It's not good. Why would you say I should lie to him? Give me money for ice cream.
I said you should go upstairs. That's not the little you know to do. Chop, 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 chop.
It's like this your little sister is very, very, very stubborn.
Okay, you will calm down. I had to use that to send my boyfriend away because of Chief. Oh yeah, call him now.
She's stubborn, very, very stubborn.
Don't do. Oh Chief, you are still here, eh?
She's stubborn.
You leave him now.
See, I want to tell you, Chief can take care of you more than that your boyfriend.
Okay, I trust my Chief. Now me get him. Eh? Call him.
I should call him.
What are you there wait for? Call him.
Yeah, hello, Chief. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, it's me. Hello? Yes. I'm coming to see you.
Hey! To lie no good. You go lie on top lie. How much did they even give her? Agidi! Bring that money here!
Forget her size, Agidi is ready for you. She know they take nonsense at all. Agidi is ready for war. If you think you sabi, Agidi go teach you lesson. Small body, big engine, Agidi child, this is.
Let's get yourself ready, okay? You know what I'm talking about. Alright, see you. Okay. Agidi, I'm going out and I won't be back, so lock the door very well.
Must you go out this night?
You say what?
Must you go out today? There's no day you can just sit at home and rest, sleep.
Agidi, me and you will be senior. Eh? No. Just answer me. Me and you will be senior.
It's clear. It's clear.
Oh, you know it's clear. Now you get mad, they talk this nonsense come off your mouth. If I slap you, eh? If I slap you, rubbish. How much Henry give you?
I didn't count it.
Oh, you know count them. Start to count them. Just start to they count them. Because all those money you go gather take go village. You dey hear me so? If you like, no lock the door.
This thing you are doing is not good. Maybe you get boyfriend will go shoot your husband.
If you like, no lock the door. If they come, shall me they no carry my property. Just tell them say carry me. No be me, may they carry you. Drop my property. Nonsense.
See as he be. He go dress like this. See what you wear. The comot outside. See what you are wearing. And Uncle said I should come to the city and meet you. Eh? He said I should come to the city and meet you. And you are doing a shower business in the city. Why did he not say I should come and join you? Is he saying that I should come and join you so that you will teach me how to do a shower? Or so that I will join you and be doing a shower business? Come here, I don't understand. I for Kukuma stay in the village. I was living my life. I was living my luxurious life the way I like.
Forget her size, Agidi is ready for you. She know they take nonsense at all.
Yeah, I like it. You made it yourself. Oh my goodness. Don't you think you should open like a bakery shop?
It's quite stressful.
But you're gonna make money from it.
Okay, we'll open together.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, cheers. And have a sip. Good. So when you open the bakery shop, I will be in charge of the finance.
No. I will be in charge.
I will be in charge.
No, I have to be in charge.
You should be in charge of the subdivision, of the recipe, and every other thing that is used in making coffee. You know, stuff like this.
No.
Sure? Not to you. I love you.
I love you.
Just one day, the truth will come. Just one day, one day, the truth will come. You cannot pretend forever. You comfortable. I'm ready to do more for you. You pay it back with evil. Scatter his lies, disappointed. You made him to feel ashamed and used. Stop pretending to be what you.
If that pleases my angel, no problem.
Alright, take care of yourself, okay?
Remember to keep your things safe, okay?
Sure, I will.
Right.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, sorry, that should be an insect.
Oh.
I think it's
I got scared. Alright.
Alright, you take care of yourself.
Okay,
Be careful.
I will.
Alright, darling. Bye.
Bye.
Alright. Easy.
Sure.
Easy.
Stop pretending to be what you're not. It's one day.
Okay, bye.
One day. That's one day. The truth will come. That's one day. One day.
Babe, how far? You never finish with that one where they call itself Alhaji. Oh, I clear you now. I tell you, say Chief want me to do 3 from now. You see? What you still they do? The man think no big. What you they do? No, so you know if you come. No, wow. With the 4 person hand, you know, say now you don't cut my money. I don't hear. Bye-bye.
My baby.
Chief.
Where are your girls?
Chief, they can't make it though. And they're still with another client. So it's just me and you. It's just, yes, now.
Well, I don't have problem.
I will do my own and do their own together.
No. Did you order anything?
Yes, I did. Let me go and get it.
Okay.
I'll be back.
All right.
Chief.
My baby.
Chief. Come, let me test something.
My baby.
Chief. My baby. Chief.
Young man, what do you want? What are you doing here?
So this is true. All the night vigil and prayers right here in a hotel room. Bridget, I am highly disappointed at you.
Sorry.
Gosh.
Babe.
Gosh.
Baby, I don't know why I got sick.
Who is it?
Babe.
Talk to me, Bridget. Who is he?
That's my fiancé.
Forget about him. What have you got to offer you? I'll give you whatever you need. Is that why you're worried? Come to. Oh, my baby. Don't worry. Because of him? Where are you going?
Honestly, Harry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I swear, I don't have an excuse reason why I'm living this kind of life. Harry, please. I love you so much. I love you so much. Please. I'm so sorry.
You love me so much.
Yes, I love you so much. I love you so much.
Bridget, get out.
Oh, please. I can't live without you, I beg you.
I said
I
get out.
I can't live without you, please.
Get out before I do something we both will regret. Get out.
Please, I beg you. I can't live without you. I'm so sorry. I beg of you, please. Please.
I see. You don't want to get out, right? Let me not meet you here when I return.
Henry, please. I'm sorry.
Exactly my point. Babe, you should have been more careful.
Henry caught you right in the act. He caught you red-handed. How are you even going to start denying it?
I don't even want to deny anything. I just want him to forgive me. I want him to know that I'm a changed person.
Men don't forgive cheating. But I hope he forgives you. Because Henry is one of a kind. And he's definitely not the kind of man you should lose.
Exactly my point. Babe, you should have been more careful. But come to think of it, what was he doing there? Was he also looking for a girl?
Henry's not like that. Henry is not a kind of a person. I'm sure somebody gave him information about me and he just went there to conclude it.
Someone gave him information. Who could that be?
I don't care. I don't care to know. I'm confused by life.
Okay. Come on, babes. It's okay.
I just want Henry to forgive me. I don't know how, but I just want him to forgive me.
Stop hurting yourself. It's okay.
I love him. I do love him.
We know.
How do I fix
Stop
this?
crying. It's okay.
I feel so devastated right now. I don't deserve this man.
Nobody deserves it. You're a good man. See, let me tell you, what you need to do now is to forget about that girl. Forget her totally. I do not blame men who are not faithful to their women. Yes, those women deserve it with no apology.
Realistically speaking, I don't know what to do right now.
See, I don't even know what is wrong with all these women. This your case is like my case. She was like pretending to be a church girl, going to church programs and all those things. Finally, I caught her on my bed with another man. Yes. I'm telling you the truth. A house, I paid the rent. She was even telling me that I did not tell her that I'm coming back that day. That was why she brought in another man. Can you imagine?
Oh. This happened and you're just telling me this story?
How can I broadcast it? I was ashamed. How can I tell my fellow man that I saw my woman on my bed with another man? So I had to keep it to myself.
So this is what happened there? Thank God that little girl saved me from marrying that grease snake under the green grass. It will be for me. Oh. Hey, so this is why men don't live long. Eh?
I'm telling you, you're just lucky. I'm telling you, you're lucky, bro.
Hey,
you're lucky. But let me tell you something. The truth is that love is a beautiful thing, especially when you're with the right person. If you are with the right person, you enjoy love. Okay, love is life. Love is everything. But you need to choose the right person. So, Baba, I think you should continue searching. All right, because from what I'm seeing, Bridget is not the last bus stop. So you need to continue. Waiter, please come, please come.
Stop pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. 'Cause one day, 'cause one day, the truth will come. 'Cause one day, one day, the truth will come. You cannot pretend forever. You cannot pretend forever. Just one day, the truth will come out. The truth will come out.
Auntie, I don't know what is wrong with you. You have been acting strange. You don't like eating again. You don't want to talk to anybody. You have been moody. What's going on? Auntie.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
You are not fine. You are not okay. You've not even eaten since morning.
To be what you're not. 'Cause one day, 'cause one day, the truth will come. 'Cause one day, one day, the truth will come. You cannot.
Henry, I'm sorry. Honestly, I regret every bit of my actions. I'm so sorry.
If I had not found out what you've been doing all this while, would you have stopped? Answer me. Would you?
Henry, please. Let's forget about the past. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, but trust me, I love you. Honestly, I do. I love you so much.
Shut up. You don't know what love is. Because no one in his right and godly senses would do what you have been doing to me. And to think I am madly in love with you, to have walked you down the aisle, then you must be dreaming.
I'm sorry. Please. Please, I'm sorry.
Get your hands off me. Thank God your cousin revealed who you truly are to me. Yes, she saved me from a lifetime big mess.
Which of my cousin? Agidi?
Oh, shit.
Agidi, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Sir, what I am saying is that you don't deserve my auntie. You are a good man, you deserve someone better. If I don't tell you this thing, now my conscience will not let me sleep. My conscience will continue judging me until I tell you this. I say I must tell you. My auntie is not a good person, she's a bad person. Okay, see, do you know that you are not the only man that used to visit her in the house? A lot of men do come to the house. A lot of them.
How do you get to know about all this in this shortest period of time you lived with her?
I'm a good observer. I observe things a lot. Yes. And I know my auntie very well. My auntie that at night, every night like this, she and her friends will dress like prostitutes and they will be going out. Sometimes they will not even come back that night. She's not a good woman, I'm telling you now. My auntie is not a good woman. Okay, that day that you came to our house and I told you that my auntie is not around. She was around. She was inside the sitting room with one man that used to arrange chief for them. I'm telling you the truth, I'm not lying. I cannot be lying with this kind of thing. The man that used to arrange the chief for them, every time the man will come to the house and say, that chief, chief. Small time, chief will come to our house, or she will not go and meet chief. I don't know.
Agidi.
She will say I should lie to you.
Agidi, are you sure you know what you're talking about?
I know what I'm talking about. Don't worry, I know you will doubt me. Maybe you do your own findings. Follow her up. If you drop her one day, follow her. Do as if you are already going. Then you just enter one place, branch to one place. Then you just follow her.
Do you know that your sister happens to be a good Christian, and not just that, she is Jesus' baby?
Who that shall Jesus baby?
Who sent you?
Nobody sent me. I'm telling you the truth. I just that does not even know how to pray. It's Jesus baby. Who that shall Jesus baby? I just does not know how to pray at all. She's just pretending. She's just covering up. Well, I know that it will be very hard for you to believe me. I know. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you should do your own findings. Since I'm telling you and you're doubting me, maybe this night you can just follow her up. Anywhere she's going, just drop her. Then do as if you are already going. Then you can hide somewhere. Follow her up. Make sure you follow her. You will see where she's going. I'm telling you, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked.
Well, right now you're getting me more confused. I don't know what to make of this information.
See, you don't need to believe me, Sha. The thing is, as you are doing your findings, don't involve me. Don't call my name. Don't say I told you. So that you not put me in trouble as you are doing your finding. Just do your finding in peace. Yeah? Thank you so much. She's not a good person. Marry another woman. Oh, you are too good to suffer.
This small girl. How did she get to know about all this? What did I just do? I wouldn't have mentioned her cousin's name. Well, she told me the truth, yes. She saved me from a lifetime mess. Would have ended up with this whore. Shameless whore at that. May God have mercy on her soul. Nonsense.
In the village now, we'll be disappointed that if he hears that this is what you are doing in the city.
See this small rat, oh? No, see this small rat. So you had the guts to tell my boyfriend to leave me, eh?
I was just trying to help the young man now. He's not good. He's a good man, very nice.
Agidi, who is your family?
You are my family, but he's a good man.
He's a good man. That is why you will go and stay with him.
Please now. Please now.
Get out! Get out!
I'm going to take you to the village. I don't know anywhere in this city now.
You ain't going with your uncle now.
Please now. Please now. Let me leave in peace. Let me leave in father.
Nonsense. Don't come back here. I don't want to see you in this house again. Nonsense. As smart as she is. Try to save me. Eh? Can you imagine? If I miss you there, If I miss you there, I will call you. You will be shocked at that.
Now I feel relieved. I have completely deleted her thoughts from my mind.
That is a good decision. I like that. But you shouldn't have implicated that little girl. Because I know she will go home straight and deal with her.
That's true, you know. I owe that girl a gift because she really saved me from a lifetime mess. I would have ended up with that wolf in sheep clothing.
Exactly. She did a beautiful work. But what I'm trying to tell you now is that you shouldn't give up on love totally, okay? There are still good women out there. You can still give love a chance, you know? So don't totally decline love, all right? Love is a beautiful thing. The more you give love a chance, the more you get better, okay?
Listen, you are not in the best position to give me relationship advice. Do you understand? How can a relationship therapist not have a relationship? I haven't seen any woman around you for the past only God knows how long. And here you are advising me. Oga, keep your advice. Use it and better your own relationship.
Forget her size, Agidi is ready for you. She know they take nonsense at all. Agidi is ready for war. If you think you sabi, Agidi go teach you lesson. Small body, big engine. Agidi wa, child, this is serious. Call 'em small body, big engine. Agidi, small body, big engine. Agidi, jala.
Auntie, good morning.
Good morning.
Auntie, please, I need your help.
What is it?
I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anywhere to stay. My auntie sent me out of her house.
How can your auntie send a small girl like you out? What did you do? Did you steal?
No, God forbid. I can never steal. I'm not a thief. I can't take what does not belong to me.
You did not steal?
No. It's a long story.
A long story? Okay, sit down and wait for me. Let me get to my shop. I'll come back and buy you food. Then you will tell me this long story. I would love to hear it.
Thank you so much, ma. God will bless you. Yeah?
Amen. Sit and wait for me.
Thank you, ma.
Agidi, small body, big engine. Agidi, jollof. Small body, big engine. No, no, no. Agidi, call 'em small body, big engine. Agidi, small body, big engine. Agidi, jollof.
Serious? I knew it. I knew that girl is a wench. From the starting point, I knew there is something fishy about her. Come on, babe. You shouldn't have sent her out. I mean, where do we find her now?
Vera, that girl is a witch. If I had not sent her out, that girl would have killed me. Like, I sent this girl away. I expected her to be in the neighborhood, at the backyard, waiting for me to call her in. But no, she's nowhere to be found. Nowhere.
I think maybe she's in the village. Yeah.
Okay, fine. No problem. I'll call Papa, but I know she's not in the village. I'll call him later to know if she has arrived.
But Bridget, you should have avoided this immediately you found out. I mean, you shouldn't have been in this mess. Or better still, you should have bundled her back to the village.
Sarah, please. My life is in a total mess. Honestly, I'm tired. I don't know what to do. Please.
It's okay. You shouldn't overflog yourself. I mean, the deed has already been done. Baby girl, you've been missing. You've been missing in action.
Vera, are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a heart?
Mm-hmm.
Is your conscience working? I just told you that my life is in a mess. I don't... If not you go back. Eh? No, tell me, if not you go back.
Come on, girl.
Hey, please. Just let me be.
I'm just trying to cheer you up. I don't mean to upset you. Are you angry?
Just let me be, please. Please.
What exactly are you talking about? You mean you brought a girl you know from nowhere into your house?
See, listen. She said she does not have anywhere to go to. That auntie chased her out of the house. You know me, I cannot see her and just leave her there. I had to bring her. And another thing is that she said she was going to help me, that she'll be helping me in my business. So that's why.
Momo, you are taking risk.
I know.
You are taking risk.
I know.
It's very risky for you. That's my point.
Maybe I have to take her to her auntie's house. But she shouldn't have said anything. Maybe his love for her would have changed her auntie. She would have just kept quiet.
I think you need to connect to her people. So that if anything happens, let them know that she's with you.
Nothing will happen, but I will just do what you just said. I'll take her back to her sister's house.
To get good heart. Fair one.
It's not my fault.
Whose fault?
Nobody big engine. Forget her size. Agidi is ready for you. She know they take nonsense at all.
Auntie, I've sold everything.
Everything?
Yes.
Oh yeah, come and rest. Are you hungry?
No, I don't want to rest. We still have a lot of things to sell now.
Don't worry, let me sell other things here. Oh, come and rest.
No. Just give me some things, let me go and sell. Yeah, I'll not waste time, I'll come back. Oh? Yes.
Let me give you cucumber.
Yes, give me cucumber.
Don't stay long, eh?
I will not. I'll come back fast, yeah? Take this money first.
If you think you sabi, Agidi go teach you lesson. Small body, big engine, Agidi child, this is serious.
I don't understand what you mean by you cannot find her. Are you joking with me or what?
Papa, I cannot find her. She did something and I scolded her. Ever since then, I couldn't find her.
You see, that girl is my brother's only child, my late brother and his wife's only child. Nothing must happen to her. Can you hear me? Can you imagine? What is this girl trying to tell me? Eh? A girl I gave to her to stay with her. Just within these few weeks, she has started telling me she cannot find. What does she mean, Seth? How do I explain this? My brother's only child. Or is she joking with me or what? What is she trying to tell me?
This is nice.
I can see you are now a lot better.
Yes, my brother. I mean, it is not worth it. The whole stress.
I get the point. There are so many fishes in the river.
Yeah, you're right, but it takes quite some time to catch the golden one.
No. What you need is a good and a beautiful woman. Then you can now turn her to the golden fish you want. This is just color that so much value is attached to. That's all.
My friend, you are good with words. And not just that, you're lyrically fit. Don't you think you should sing a song?
That's my profession, okay? That's my profession. Anyways, what you need now is to free your mind, alright? Free your mind so that you will find love again. I believe you will find love, yeah. You'll find love.
It's alright. I've been wanting to ask you this. You see, for quite some time I haven't seen you with any woman or girl. But here you are counseling me on my love life. I don't get it. What's going on?
Well, let me say I'm in a long holiday of women. Sabbatical leave.
My. Boy, like what you see? Talk of a golden fish. Here is one.
And the golden fish appeared. Man, you know you are a lover boy, you know?
Oh boy.
You know how to get them,
yeah.
you know?
Just
so,
see her lips, bro. This is a true definition of a blowjob is better than no job. Oh. I'm going for it, bro.
Your lips are so thick.
Waiter!
Damn thick. Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
Good luck. Good luck.
I need that luck.
Yeah, where is this waiters then this?
Hello.
Hi.
Yes. Seriously, you look breathtaking. Well, if you don't mind, I can keep you company.
Company?
I don't have company. I don't have company. Why laughing?
Pretending to be what you're not. Just one day, just one day, the truth will come. Just one day, one day, the truth will come. You cannot pretend forever. You cannot pretend forever. Just one day, the truth will.
Thank you.
Don't mention. Your place looks nice.
In my house. Thank
Well,
you.
Belinda, it was nice meeting you. I hope to see you soon.
I getting your number. I calling you.
Oh, that's nice. And I want you to know I like you so much. You're pretty.
I liking you.
Thank you.
Thanking you for the complimenting.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
Thank you.
I can't keep a pretty lady like you standing under the sun, so I suggest you go inside. You have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you.
All right.
Having a nice day.
And I noticed you don't talk much. Obviously, you're a lady with few words. Cool. It's cool.
I don't like talking too much.
Yeah, I know. You can go, okay?
Thanking
So,
you.
expecting your call.
Okay, I calling you.
Okay.
Driving safe, yeah?
Yes, I will drive safe. You take care, okay?
Driving safe, you hear? Okay, bye-bye. Don't jam in person, no.
Body big engine. Forget her size. Agidi is ready for you. She know they take nonsense at all. Agidi is ready for war. If you think you sabi,
Agidi, come let us go and rest now. Go and rest where? You don't know that if you go and rest now, your water will get hot. This one that is managed, that people are still managing, complaining that it's no longer cold. Let's go and sell it. If you finish this one, you can go and rest. Let's go. You know why I'm following you is because I want to help you and your mother.
Agidi don't land you. Giddy gingy. There must be sanity. Giddy gingy. I'm out to no be tomorrow thing. Agidi no dey agree at all. I beg you no look her size. Some. Her brain no pass her body. Call am small body, big engine. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Oh. Agidi jollof. Agidi. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Oh. Agidi jollof. Small body, big engine. On your back.
Uncle!
Agidi! How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing here? Where's your auntie?
Uncle, it's a long story. Oh. I miss you. I missed you.
I know.
That ice cream you used to buy for me that time. Uncle. Chai.
Who is she?
She's my friend though. The one that I used to work with. My auntie chased me out of her house because of you. You not believe.
I didn't know.
I'm staying with one woman like that. I don't even know her. She's just helping me with shelter. But she's a good woman.
Okay, why don't you come into the car? So you tell me more about the woman and your auntie.
Okay. Take it to my auntie. Give her this money. Give it to her. Tell her that I'm in safe hands, yeah? That I'm coming back soon. She should not worry about me. I'm okay, yeah? Bye-bye. Give it to her.
Let's go.
Okay.
Agidi don't land you. Giddy gingy. There must be sanity. Giddy gingy. I'm out to no be tomorrow thing. Agidi not.
You mean she told you to come and tell me this?
Yes, auntie. She followed the uncle in his car.
I pray she comes back home.
Yes, auntie.
Thank you. I go and continue to hawking.
I am so sorry about that. I didn't know your auntie would be so mad at you. Else I wouldn't have told her.
It's okay. There's no problem. You did nothing wrong.
It's alright. So would you want to go back to her house or I take you back to the village, your uncle's place?
No. I don't want to go back to her. And I don't want to go to the village. I will stay in this city. My uncle is already old. He cannot really take care of me now. So let me just hustle for myself.
I see. In that case, will you stay with me? I will enroll you in school.
I will stay with you. Maybe if you now enroll me in the school, you can meet my uncle and tell him so that he will be aware that I'm in safe hands and that you are really taking care of me.
That's a wise thought. And I want you to know you are in safe hands, okay? You don't have to worry about anything. One of these days, I would also want you to take me to that lady that helped you. Let me say thank you to her personally.
Her name is Miracle. She's really trying. She's a nice person. She's nice, yes.
Obviously. Well, enjoy your juice. Let me check if I have food inside.
Okay, even if you don't have, I can cook. I can cook for myself.
Don't worry. If I don't have, I'll order. Okay? I know you like chicken.
Yes.
And fried rice.
Yes.
Obviously. Alright, I'll be back.
I don't even understand this. Should I report to the police? This is someone I don't even know. Where will I start from? Eh? The whole thing might fall back on me. I just hope she's okay wherever she is. I hope.
Why are you sitting in this sitting room like this? Who permitted you?
Agidi, meet my guest and my woman. Her name is Belinda. Belinda, meet my little sister Agidi. Yes, please be nice to her, okay? Let me get something outside.
Alright, baby, bye.
Alright, darling.
Wow.
Wow. Oof.
What is your name?
My names are Belinda.
I know what that little witch did was bad. But babes, you went extreme. You should have just peacefully bundled her back to the village.
Honestly, I didn't know it was going to be this way. I thought asking her to leave the house, she's going to hang around the neighborhood or probably stay outside waiting for me to call her in. But no, I can't find her anywhere. I have searched the whole city. I can't find her, Gidi. I can't find her.
Let's hope nothing bad has happened to her. Because she's really not what you're going to jail for.
Babes, I have a strong feeling that this girl is fine. I don't know, I just have a strong feeling that she's okay.
Let's hope so.
So how are you feeling now? How are you coping with that, Henry?
Honestly, I learnt my lesson the hard way. But I know I'll be fine.
You will be fine, my friend. Besides, all this thing is just a phase. It will surely come to pass.
Surely. Thank you so much. I really want to appreciate you both. You've been there for me. Thank you for always coming around. Thank you.
You're welcome. But most importantly, we are missing you in action. You know, without you, the 3 Musketeers are not complete. So please, we need you back as soon as possible.
I don't know what to say, but...
Should I tell her?
Come, where is she? Rushes to the market and bought me those things here.
Bing!
I don't understand. Are you wearing sheets? Which one is it? Bam! I say rushes to the market and bought me those things in the paper.
Bing! Bing! Before I say this thing that is in my mind, why must I be the one to go and buy those things that is in your paper? Eh? You don't have legs. You don't have mouth. Why must I be the one to go and buy them? You cannot go and buy it.
You disobeying me? No, you disobeying me now. You this small girl. You disobeying me? I said rushes to the market and bought me those things. You are here shouting, talking.
I am okay. Let me tell you something. I have to correct this impression first. I am not the maid in this house. I am not a housemaid. I am only here to enjoy my brother's money. Yeah? This is my uncle's house. Yeah? I am not here to serve anybody.
I don't care who you are or whosoever you. All I know is that anything I say, you must do.
That you are speaking. Let me ask you a question. Is it that you did not go to school? Or you went to school but you did not pay attention to your teachers? Or what? I don't understand. Because you cannot tell me that you did not go to school and you are living this luxurious life. Do you have any chief, any chair, or any owner who that is sponsoring this your expensive lifestyle? Because you did not go to school. I don't understand why you be putting on this private and be with rich man. They say you have to be rich before you be with rich people. So why are you here with my uncle if you did not go to school?
You insulting me?
No, I'm not insulting you.
You insulting me?
I'm not insulting you. I want to understand. I want to understand because
I don't care who you are. Everything I say, you do. Go to the market and rushes and bought me those things in this paper. You are here talking plenty things. What is your problem? I'm talking. You are going upstairs.
You see, last school is not scam. If you say you added education with this your beauty, you could just you'll be beautiful and educated. But now, you see you. Anyway, I can help you. I can just pay me small money. I will educate you. I will help you and be teaching you some little things. Because I'm very sure that my brother has not heard you speak. If he has, by now, you know where you will be. He will show you how to Sokoto Road. You will not even get yourself again. Process.
I'm not blaming you.
You are lucky that he's still managing you.
I'm talking. You are carrying upstairs, Abi. I'm talking. You are carrying upstairs. Let me tell you something. If you don't come down and buy these things, hunger will buy you. Hunger will kill you in this house today. Just know that nothing for you. Nothing to show today. I'm talking you are carrying and be going upstairs. Okay, oh. Hunger go kill you for that up where you dey. Idiot. Imagine, this Smolly talking to me anyhow.
Agidi don land gidi gingi. There must be sanity. Gidi gingi. I'm out to no be so.
Tom, hi, Jesus. Flesh paper. Ewo, flesh paper. Tom. Ewo.
How you go allow your boyfriend to dey beat you anyhow? Eh? Hey, that guy get the luck to say I know there for that place. I for don't use bottle design in head for them. Chook am up and down. Eh? How you could allow your boyfriend to dey beating you up and down like that? In get luck side in my boyfriend house. I for sure and pepper. I for use bottle baby head. Shook am. He go no say kaki no be leather. Eh? Hey, sorry, yeah? Sorry, just calm down. Calm down because I no dey for that place. Calm down. Yeah? No wahala. Just calm down. He get luck side no dey there. I for design am. As he use and do designer bag. Na fool him be. No worry, just calm down. Eh? How you could allow man dey beat? I never see that man. We go try am with me Belinda. Belly. Hey, I go use bottle. Choke you. You go no say kaki no be leather. Me, man beat me. Hey.
I don't know why you are shouting, madam. Eh? Why are you shouting? Do you want everybody to know that you don't have sense? Do you want all the people to know that you don't have manners?
I dey see double.
See this? I'm not going to that market again. I am not going again because I do not understand this nonsense you wrote here. Look at handwriting, jagra. Look at what you wrote here. Nonsense. I'm not going there. This is what I see. Tomato, not tomato. See, pepper. I am sure it's pepper you want to write. Splash pepper. See onions. Onions, I mean, or your koyo. I don't know what you have to write. I'm not buying anything. I'm not going anywhere.
Tell me wetin happen to this list wey I write for you. Tell me wetin dey long for this list. Are you not supposed to be at the market by now?
Meaning what?
Why are you here standing looking at me like you?
I say I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. You see this nonsense you wrote here. It is better you go there yourself, explain everything to them because I cannot pronounce it. I cannot stress myself. Nonsense.
Wetin I writing for this list now? With this small heart they insult to me anyhow. They open that hand and take a mouth they talk to me anyhow. But make you no worry. I go show you small pepper. Now I go show you. You go look like a kilo of leather. Now me you dey insulting anyhow. And this small pepper.
I still can't comprehend what you're saying.
What I am saying is that this your so-called Belinda is Itibolibo. It's in Pataka. She doesn't know anything at all. Take and read. Go through it. You understand what I'm saying.
Huh? What is to play paper? What's this onion? What's that?
This is the list she gave me to go to the market with. Yes. She can't make a complete or correct sentence without bagam.
Is bagam here?
It's not there. What I mean by bagam is she's always making mistakes. Joining present and past tense together. Breaking English like the way she used to speak the English I don't understand. It's better she come and say, oh, I did not go to school, I don't know how to speak English. Then we'll speak pidgin and flow with it. Than coming here to pretend and speak rubbish. Okay, that one is not even the point. That one is not issue. My own problem there is that this girl is a pretender. She's short-tempered, like she has bad temper, hot temper, everything. I overheard her on the call with somebody. I don't know if she's a friend or something, I don't know. She was telling the person that she should break bottle on her boyfriend's head. Somebody that you want to marry. So that tomorrow night they're aware that they killed you, your wife killed you. I don't have strength though. I don't have strength to come and do justice. I don't have the strength at all.
Wait. How do you get to know about all this?
It is simple. Forget about that girl. She's a pretender. She could possibly be a killer and she will kill you one day.
Your list. This is serious.
Agidi don land giddy gingy. There must be sanity. Giddy gingy. I'm out to no be tomorrow thing. Agidi no dey agree at all. I beg you no look her size. Some. Her brain no pass her body. Call am small body, big engine.
Who is the fan? Who are you looking for?
I am here to see my man.
There is no man here, Itibolibo. Go back to your house.
Is it to me you are calling Itibolibo? Eh?
Where else is Itibolibo?
Is it to me you are calling Itibolibo?
Where else is Itibolibo? Girl go fine finish. If she open mouth, everywhere go scatter. What you go do?
Is it to me you are calling Itibolibo? Eh? Is it to me? You call me with? Is it to me you are calling?
What is going on here?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Stop it.
Stop it. What's going on? What's the problem? What's the problem?
I said give me.
Stop
Give me
it.
my wig. Give me my wig.
Stop it. Hey.
I deal with you.
What's the meaning of all this?
Imagine this idiot.
I said leave her alone. Stop it. What exactly is going on here? Can someone explain to me?
Asking your sister. Asking this one teacher. This thing standing here. Eh?
Agidi, what is the problem?
I don't know.
You do.
Hey, I am Belinda. Stop it. Stop it. Don't raise your
Where are
voice.
you? You see,
Stop
you are mad. Come and collect it. Is that enough?
Give me my wig. Are we dealing with you? Eh? You see this your sister? You see that girl? I tear her to pieces.
You can't.
Me?
Yes.
I fit it, Abi.
What's wrong with you people in this house?
Can you
Constituting
imagine?
nuisance all the time. Stop it, is enough. Don't say what. Better be careful. Be careful.
You're talking to me like that? You're siding your sister, Abi? Eh? You're siding your sister, Abi? You're not saying what she does it to me.
I am highly disappointed at
You are not saying what she does it to me. You're here siding her because she's your sister. Eh?
You are my fiancé.
Because
not
she's
my
your sister now.
You're my fiancé, not my sister. You should have waited for me instead of fighting her. What's wrong with you?
Imagine the nonsense you are vomiting. Just look at what is coming out from your mouth. That's witch, devil. Telling me I am not welcoming in this house. On which order now? That's me, I'm not welcoming in this house. Look at yourself. You're not even talking to yourself anymore. You don't behave like a real man. Because educative man cannot even stand and be vomiting this rubbish. Eh? Instead of you to follow educative lady, you are here following classic look. Following classic look. Eh? What rubbish? What nonsense? Because you're not behaving like a man.
Are you insulting me?
Oh, I am not insulting you. It's not that we give to you. It's not that we give to you.
Did you
What
want me to kill you?
You touched me.
You want me to kill you by bare hands? Are you mad?
I'll be one apple. Come down
Agidi, you shouldn't have fought her.
Fighting is not even the issue. The main point there is that you have seen everything that I've been telling you about that woman. I told you that she's a mad woman, and now are you seeing it? Did you see what she did? You should be thanking your God that she did not kill us, because if there was something, just small thing, should have killed us.
God forbid. But please, next time, learn how to comport yourself, okay?
Please, this food that you are cooking, remember to put enough salt. Not like the other one. You know, I said let me cook it myself, you refuse. So cook it well and put enough salt, please.
What do you mean by I should put enough salt? Don't you know excess salt is not good for the body?
I did not say you should put excess salt. Put normal salt first. Put enough salt. Leave excess salt first. Yeah? Just make the food taste. That's all. Put myself.
I'm already cooking it, okay? Hey. Hey, bro, what's up? What I'm doing? What else will I be doing? I'm a bachelor, for crying out loud. I'm in the kitchen preparing something to eat. Yeah. Oh, the meeting. Why don't you attend it on my behalf? Yeah. After all, you prepared the proposal. It's okay. Once you're done, let me know. I'll give you a call once I'm out, okay? All right.
Are you saying with all that classy look, she's not educated?
Mike, it's not funny at all. I think Belinda is one of these girls her auntie brought from the village to the city, and she wants to live a fake life. I advise her to be real for once. Do you know the other time she almost broke my head with a bottle? This girl was chasing Agidi and I around my sitting room. We had to run for our lives, so I don't want any wahala.
This is serious. This your search for a life partner is one hell of an interesting episode. Adventure. I'm telling you, adventure.
The matter, from one matter to another matter.
Speaking of the little girl with you, are you sure she's safe?
Of course, Agidi is safe with me 100%.
What I'm saying is, you really need to see her family, talk with her family, uncle, or anybody. Let them know that she's with you. In case if anything happens in the future. Alright?
I had that in mind actually. I've been really busy, so I decided to make out time, probably this coming week, to go see her people or her uncle. I might even go alone. I don't need her. She just give me the address and I'll go see her uncle, that's all.
That's nice. That's nice.
I don't know what is wrong with you children of nowadays and hot temper. Things that I can tolerate, you cannot tolerate them. See how you are spoiled things.
Papa, did you actually hear what I said she did?
I don't care what you say she did. If you have lived upright, that wouldn't have happened. How do I explain this? How?
Papa, it's not like I just took decision like that. I was angry. I was upset, frustrated. I only sent her out. I thought she would be around the vicinity. I didn't know she was going to go that far.
I just got tired of her troubles. I needed her to have a change of environment. That's the reason I asked you to take her with you to spend just these holidays. Eh?
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I already filed a case in the police station. They're helping me to look for her. I'm sure she's okay. It's not Agidi. She's fine somewhere. She's okay.
Do you know if she has gone far? Or kidnapped? Hi! This is not good news at all. At all. I'm so disappointed at you, my daughter. I am.
Stop pretending to be what you're not. 'Cause one day
call you back. I'll call you now.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, obviously you're on your way to somewhere. Probably you're waiting for cab.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my ride to come pick me up.
Oh, you know, sometimes they might just take much of your time. What do you think if I should drop you off?
If that's going to be okay by you, I don't mind.
Oh, why not? For a pretty lady like you, I will.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't mind.
Then. Hop into the car.
Okay,
I'll drop
thank you.
He gave you his heart, he gave you everything, he made you feel comfortable. I'm ready to do more for you. You pay him back with evil, scatter his life, disappointing. You made him to feel ashamed and used.
This is serious. So you turned the emergency cab man immediately?
I had no choice. You needed to see that babe. She is a pretty damsel. I had to give her a lift.
I hope you collected her number.
Of course, that was the major aim of giving her a lift, to collect her number. And I did.
I'm thinking we should, look at all this from a different perspective. Write a book about this, your whole adventure with women. Title it Mr. Henry and Different Women.
Maybe you will become the author of the book.
Well, it's good. It's all good. I think you should give this one a try.
Yes,
hopefully. She may be the angel we're looking for.
I hope so, because I'm getting fed up, Definitely, I'll start chatting with her and then we'll see where to take us to.
It's important.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for this outing. I'm really having fun. Thank you.
It's all right. We should do this often.
Yes. So, are we officially a team now?
Nice question. Melissa, you already know what I want. And I think we should have something tangible going on. Let's start from there.
Okay, I like you a lot already, and I think there is no point pretending about it. The feelings are mutual.
Nice to hear.
So I think I should be on my way.
Okay.
Yes. So, can I get a hug?
Let me see your phone.
He gave you his heart, he gave you everything, he made you feel comfortable.
Here we are. Welcome to my little space.
Wow. You have a lovely place here.
Thank you.
I must say.
Here comes my little sister. Agidi, meet Melissa.
Agidi? What kind of name is that? My goodness, Henry, you don't clean your house. Why is this house so dirty?
I don't understand. So dirty how? Are you the one that clean this house? I clean this house. In fact, I used to clean this house every minute, every time I clean it. So why are you complaining that it's dirty? All these girls that you be forming anyhow, I don't understand this you're forming now. Somebody that they've not married yet. If they not marry you, how far? Please, oh, don't come here and be talking rubbish, oh. Please, let me not insult you with this your cheap wig.
Are you trying to insult me?
If I insult you, do you think you'll still be there? If I insult you, you'll be crying by now. You're forming what I don't know. All these pretender formers, they are forming. They are forming. These are the marry you, you are forming.
Wow. Your little sister is insulting me.
You just called her little, okay? She's just a kid, so pardon her manners. Meanwhile, use my face towel, okay? Just dust it. Let me get to drink, alright?
Agidi, what is your problem? Why are you making things more difficult for me? Why did you talk to her like that?
Are you aware you are the cause of this problem you are talking about? Eh? First, you came here with one mad woman. I told you she's a mad woman, you doubted me. Now, she almost killed us. You confirmed it, right? Secondly, now, you brought in this Efulefu woman, this pretender, this one that came here to eat your money and go. I am very sure of that. Now, instead of her to come here and pretend first, because this is her first time coming to this house, instead of her to come and even if this house is dirty, yes, she should pretend at least. No, she came to disgrace her family, saying that the house that me I clean, the house that I take care of every day is dirty, condemning my own efforts. Meaning what now? You want me to keep quiet? Meaning what?
But you haven't given her the chance to prove herself.
She doesn't have anything to prove. First impression matters a lot, and for that I am scoring her 0. You said this your eyes, are they not working properly?
Hey. What do you mean?
What I mean is that you need to go for proper checkup because this your eyes are not using it well. They're not seeing properly. What is all this? In fact, myself, I'm tired. I'm tired of selecting for you. You should go marry anybody you want. I don't care.
Is anybody home? It's anybody home?
Come back here. It's anybody home? Is anybody home? You're looking at me. You're asking that stupid question. Is anybody home? Is anybody home? Look at you. Does that mean that you're not seeing me? Or does that mean that you did not see me? I don't understand. You're not seeing me?
Okay, no. Auntie, pardon me. You know you are too small for anybody to notice you. So I'm sorry.
In other words, you are telling me that your eyes, that you cannot use them, that they are not working again. That your sight, you're having issues with your sight. And I would advise you to go and treat it, go and take care of it now, before you take it to somewhere you don't know.
See, I know that you are ill-mannered and you lack respect, but I won't stand for you to insult me.
It's not ill-mannered. Oh, wow. It's not ill-mannered. It's ill-mannered.
Oh, ill-mannered, English auntie. But listen to me, Henry is who I want to see, and he is aware I'm coming.
And you stand there until I'm done with you because I did not permit you to go inside there. I was asking a question and you want to walk away. You have to stand there and allow me ask you the question and you must answer all the questions. Do you hear me? Who called you to come to this house? Who invited you to this house? Eh?
Henry know I'm here and I want to prepare lunch. Nonsense. Stop me if you can.
I just pray you will not cook poison for him. Which, if he will just use you, he will not marry you. You want to get? He will use you, he will not marry you. That is my uncle for you. You are meant for house chores. You only come to this house, do all the cleaning, do all the washing, do everything and go. Cook for my uncle and go. My uncle knows who he will marry and me, I know that too. So don't just stress yourself and bother for marriage. You're calling me smally. I'm too small. That's why you could not recognize or you could not notice me. I don't understand. Like if they measure me and you now, if they measure us, the gap that they will see will be much. Abi? If they measure two of us now, let me see the gap that they will see. If it's not more than 1 inch. Hey! Hey! What is it now?
What is wrong with it?
What is wrong? You, what is wrong? Are you okay with the food? Can you finish it? Should I leave my own for you?
Babe, you don't like it. I ordered this food specially for us.
Wait.
This white rice and stew.
You even ordered it. You didn't cook it. You ordered it. You didn't cook it and it's like this. What if you not cook the food?
I don't cook.
Yeah. You don't cook, but you want marriage. You don't cook, but you want to see your life outside. You don't cook, but you want marriage, and you are proudly saying it. Hey! You see, your life don't spoil, finish. I pity you. Sorry. Ndo, I pity you. Look at what you ordered. What if you not cook? You cannot cook. You cannot see order good food. It's not like you are the one cooking it, so you are paying for it. You cannot see order good food. Nothing good can ever come out from your life. You're not ready for marriage.
Listen. I will order for something else, okay?
I'm sorry. But trust me, I won't have that little thing insult me.
Hey. My sister is not the thing.
I don't care! I can't have her insult me all the time. If the food is that bad, fix something for us to eat.
I should fix what? You
Yes.
ordered this food. Why didn't you cook in the first place? You say you don't know how to cook and yet you ordered this. Okay, fine, eat it. Eat it to confirm what she's saying. Eat it again, eat more. Go on. Come on, yeah. Keep eating.
It's nice.
It's nice. We are eating
Yes.
this too, to confirm. Keep eating now. Okay. How many days? 1. It's all right. I'll get back to you. Bye. Hi, babe. How are you?
Are you still on this?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
Babe, I'm sorry about the lunch. I thought you would like the food.
It's okay. It's all right. Do you care for this?
Oh, no, thank you.
All right.
You know, I was meant to leave yesterday, but I'll be going tomorrow. But you're yet to send me the money I asked you. You know I sent you the list of what I needed the money for.
I don't understand. Are you for real? You want me to give you the sum of 1.2 million naira so that you use it to buy some beauty product?
Come on, babe. I need to glow. I need to look good for you. I need to buy my glutathione injections. I need to buy my beauty product to look good for you.
Can I ask you a question? Before we met, weren't you buying this beauty product of yours that is worth 1.2 million naira? So please, continue to buy it yourself. Okay? God bless you.
What are you not trying to say? Are you considering spending on me a waste? What?
Let me ask you a question. Would you rather keep glowing on the outside while your account balance dims?
I don't understand. You have to give me the money now.
I don't have 1.2 million naira to waste on some beauty product. Listen, that is someone's annual rent. Do you understand?
In other words, you are considering spending on me a waste. I don't blame you. See, I have to glow. I have to look good. You must give me the money. You have to.
You have to glow. I'll give you the money. Go to Glow back home and work now. Nonsense. All these girls, they think a person and more. Just they play. They play. Just they play. I hope you like your new school.
Yes, sir. Yes, I like it. That school is for big men children only.
I know, right?
Yes.
Well, I trust you. I know you're going to do well there because you're a smart person.
Yes, definitely. I will.
That's good. So hopefully before Monday, I will get every other thing you need. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
No problems.
Thank you.
Thank God. It's lunch time. Let's go get something to eat.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. It's okay.
Hey. So here you are, and that little thing is embarrassing me outside there.
Hey. Aren't we missing something here? You didn't tell me you were coming. So how did I ask her to embarrass you? What happened?
Maybe you should add this imbecile here.
What? I won't have you call her names. Do you understand?
Now you're taking sides, right? You're supporting your own sister. Do you know she saw me coming? She tried to stop me. Even she didn't even bother to help me with my luggage. Rather, she's resisting me from coming inside. Who does that? Who?
Listen. Okay, fine. Look at me. Look. Hey, stop it. Look at me. I apologize on her behalf, okay?
What nonsense.
Hey, I told you that this one is going to sell you, use your money, run away. I told you that she's going to sell you and run away with your money, but you will never listen to me. You will never believe what I am saying. Look at it. See, you are the one that will carry it because obviously I won't carry it. I'm telling you. I swear to God, if I carry this, in fact, if I touch this box there,
Don't swear it because I want to beg you to help me carry it upstairs.
I was about swearing. And I'm going to swear. I swear, if I carry this bag, let me begin to walk like this.
Now you've sworn. Now how will I beg you to take this thing upstairs? Eh? Why are you like this now? Please undo the swearing. Please take the bags upstairs.
Have you found Agri?
No, Papa.
I've been keeping quiet. I've been keeping quiet because I've gone to the seer and was assured that Agidi is all right wherever she is. As a matter of fact, she is with her helper.
The seer said so?
Yes. I've been to about 4 of them. 2 within our community and 2 from the neighboring villages. They all said the same thing.
So, does that mean I will not see Agidi again?
I don't know, but my mind is at rest now, knowing full well that she's fine wherever she is.
Obviously, Baba. And that's similar reason why I came to see you. My pastor also said she's fine wherever she is and that she would definitely return home. So, thank God. I'm relieved.
Thank God. I'm very happy. At least we can now move on with our lives.
Sure, Agidi. Trouble.
So, how's the road? I hope your journey was smooth enough.
Yes, Papa, it was fine.
Okay. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you. So, you need to rest.
Go inside then.
Babe, that little sister of yours, can't she stay with your parents or anybody else?
Why? Are you tired of seeing her?
Not really, but she's too stubborn for my liking.
Come on, she's just a kid. Hopefully, you two might become best of friends. What do you think?
Would you rather choose her over me?
Are you for real right now?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to go there? Need some rest.
Wow.
Good night.
I don't have to go there.
Good night, babe. Come to bed. Come.
Leave me. Shift.
Stop pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself. Tell me who you are, darling. If I can.
So, babe, a friend of mine, she'll be coming around today, this afternoon, and she's supposed to come and stay at my place. But because I'm here, so I think it's better she come over and spend a few days with us.
But we didn't discuss that earlier.
I know, and I'm sorry. She didn't inform me as well. But you know, because she's always have her way, she knows how to come anytime she likes and leave, so please.
It's alright. If that is what you want, she's welcome.
Thank you.
Good.
So you do have a nice day at work today.
Alright, you too. And please, be good.
Yeah.
I'll see you when I get back.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah. Take care.
Right.
Bye.
The shame and you.
So are you blind? Can't you see I'm just heating up oil?
Oh, you're just heating up oil and the kitchen is smoky. Are you okay? Are you okay, baby? Are you mad? You're heating up oil and the kitchen is going down. Do you want to burn down this building? I don't understand.
If you don't live here, I'm going to put inside that hot fan.
Are you the only person that I've ever cooked in this life? Are you the person that I've cooked in this life? Why can't somebody still clear in that kitchen? My friend, go and off that gas now.
Like you're talking to your mate. Short engine. Like you're talking to your mate.
If you try that, don't tell me short engine. Don't do that, don't
The shame and you.
Oh, my dear, come in.
Yeah, babe.
Make yourself comfortable. Sit.
Wow. Your man is so rich. And he has a class. Man, baby girl, you're in a paradise.
I told you. For this your few weeks travel. I don't understand. Anyways, I will have to show you something in my room, and there's a lot of casual moment we need to do.
Madam, wait though. You have not passed my test yet. I've not scored you.
Scholar.
You had the mind to bring somebody inside this house, meaning what? No, I don't understand. You don't have respect.
You should mind how you talk to me.
You, as a squatter, you are squatting in my house. You have the mind to bring another squattee inside this house. Did I tell you that this house is a house of squattees?
Excuse me.
Am I talking to you? No, do I look I'm talking to you? I don't understand. Don't excuse me yet. Before I use my back of my hand now and do something tangible here. Do you understand? Just hold on, let me finish with that. Like I was saying, you don't have any right to bring somebody inside this house since you are still squatting.
And stop pointing at me, you're not okay.
If I point at you, what will you do?
I will shoot us and...
Oh yeah, shoot. It's like you're mad. Anyway, I will not even tell you anything. Let me just go outside and think of what to tell you because right now I'm speechless. I don't know what to tell you people. I don't have anything to tell you people. Let me just go outside and catch some words, some good words that I will use for you people. I'm coming. Look at you.
I don't blame you.
Like friend. Based on the same feather. Look at you. Iron sponge. You cannot even afford money to buy better hair for yourself, even if it's more short hair that is cheap. You can't even buy it. Okay, this one that you manage, but you don't know how to use comb or brush to brush it so that it will look smooth. No.
What is the color of your problem?
Yellow. Look at it. This yellow is my problem, and the hair, the sponge hair.
I won't take this. Calm down, leave this.
She did not tell her where she was coming, that she had to look like this. I don't understand. Look at the way she's dressed. She's dressed like a shower to Onisha. All these people that used to sell Akpa in Okpiweka, that's where you're looking. You did not tell her that she's coming to reach my house. You did not tell her. It's supposed to look like the place you're going to. If you think that you're going to club, you dress like you're going to club. If you think that you're going to reach my house, you dress like somebody that's going to reach my house. You are not mad. No sense. Look at you.
Are you supposed to be here?
I don't understand.
I can't take this.
You can take it. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Look at your box. Looking like all those olden days grandpapa box, all those ones that they used to use and go to 1-2 days travel. This is it. You don't even know that you say it's not there that you have to clean it, dust it to look neat. No.
This shopping, will you just get out? Will you just get out?
Because you are coming to see your friend that is like you. Your friend itself will have the sense to dress normal because she knows that she's going to reach my house. You, mumu, you carry anywhere they push you. That's where you are going to. Look at box. Like old papa, olden days box.
You have a problem. Wagi. Small engine. My dear, I'm so sorry. Wait, see, calm down. It's okay. The most important thing is you are here.
And I welcome you. And my man is aware that you are here. You know I've missed you.
I missed you too. Even my help. No wonder you couldn't wait for me to return before you choose your Mr. Right.
Am I God? When God's time is right, is it me that will say no?
Oh, wait there. Why is she behaving like that?
This one is old gist too. Thank God you've seen everything yourself.
Is it what you have to put up with?
Now we there here.
No. Thank God I'm here. I won't let that little brat distract you. Not when I'm here. I have to figure out something to do about it.
Can this girl not bother you? Can you not just think about her? If I have been surviving with that short engine, come off it. Come, let's go to my room. Let me show you something, please. Let's go.
Wait. She's barely 2 weeks in your house and she's beginning with someone else?
Not as bad as you think, bro. You know, Melissa is currently staying with me and her friend came visiting. So she will spend few days because there is no way she will go to Melissa's place and stay alone. So I said no problems as long as in the next few days she's leaving. Yeah.
Okay. What I'm saying is that you need to be careful. Girls of nowadays, they're not to be trusted. Alright? So you need to put your eyes on the go. Put your eyes down. Be very careful. That's what I'm saying.
I understand. Melissa so far happens to be nice and lovable. I think she's different.
Alright. Let's toast to that. Alright, I wish you a long, happy married life.
Hopefully. I can't wait to celebrate 1 year anniversary after marriage.
I can't wait to. I can't wait.
I'll pay you, man.
You have tried.
So, babe, you really need to do something about that girl. No doubt, Mr. Henry is a nice guy. Yes. I have this feeling that that rat might spoil something for you in future. And it's not right. Just do something.
Trust me, I don't know what to do at this time. I have talked to Henry. He insisted that the girl stays. What do you want me to do? What?
Babe, you need to do something. Make this house unbearable for her. Beat her up. Yes, starve her. Lock up your kitchen and your freezer. Yes. Before you know it, she will have no choice than to leave this house.
Hi, why are you just saying this? As if you don't know. That can only happen if I'm fully married to him. If not, allow me to keep waiting patiently like this. Because he can choose her over me. I know what they say about family.
I know, babe. All you need to do is keep showering Mr. Henry love. Yes. Believe me, trust me. It will be difficult for him to choose her over his happiness. And you know his happiness, of course. But not to worry. I'm here. I'm still here. I'm going to give you some tips. Trust me.
Yeah, I trust you.
So, babe, I think we should hang out or, go to somewhere else.
I think we should go inside, rather.
Really?
I don't want to go out.
If you say so, I join.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, there is it. Oh my gosh. Oh, babe, I feel like coming. Oh, I feel like coming.
Come inside my mouth.
Oh, I missed you.
What's that?
I heard knock.
Same here. Can you take a check? Kuchi.
What's there? Nobody. No? I heard knock. Are you sure? Babe, sure. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Hey. What's that?
You look perfect.
You're taking good care of me. Thank you.
As if I have a choice.
Yeah.
You're my baby, so I have to.
What's that?
I made your lunch.
Lunch?
Yep.
What did you prepare?
Your favorite.
Oh my. Wait. That means you woke up very early to prepare this.
Yes. Anything for my baby.
Obviously.
So that's plantain flour and vegetable soup.
Yeah, I can perceive it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Today, I'm gonna return home with pot's belly.
Yeah, come on. Let's go.
Stop pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself. Tell me who you are, darling. If I can go, I'll go. 'Cause one day, if it's a race of the truth will come.
Bro, at this point, I am free to say that this is your final bus stop.
Hey, I hope so, because her attitude on this why have been really, really impressive. Yes, and she's doing everything possible to see this relationship work.
Are you sure she's not pretending?
Pretense? I don't think so. For how long will she pretend? She'll definitely get tired soon.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, and you see, she has really been behaving well. Just that there's this little issue with her spending style is not impressing at all. So I think everything is going to work out, definitely, because yeah, she's respectful and all that. She listens, she cooks very well. What else does a man need?
You're a lover boy. You're a lover boy, Henry, so you can take care of that. I'm just praying and asking God to help us. The people that are still in the single market, God should just help us with one. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe you can still help us with the manual to make these things work.
Yeah, you're not serious. Yeah, when the time comes, definitely, you will find yours. There's nothing to worry about, my brother.
One thing you should know that Melissa is a classic name. You understand? So it costs a lot to keep a luxury thing. But with the kind of person she is and she is down to earth, focused, I feel it will work. I feel she will make a good one.
Hopefully, it will. Hopefully, it will. After all, I am capable, bro.
Sure. You can. Hero!
Oh my God.
Hero!
God has been awesome, man.
I'm telling you, this is the final bus stop.
Yes, of
I've
course.
seen it.
When one door closes,
another one will open. I've seen this. This is the final bus stop.
Yeah, so
final bus stop.
Yeah, so.
Stop pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself. Tell me who you are, darling. If I can go, I'll go. 'Cause one day, if it's a race of the the truth will come. The truth will come and more.
The dining is set for you.
That's good. Who did the laundry?
Oh, I did.
With your nails? I thought classy ladies are not meant to wash.
Oh, come on. It's nothing. Anything for my baby. I don't have much to do, so I decided to wash them. Besides, we have washing machine downstairs.
That's so romantic of you.
Thank you.
It's alright. I'll join you downstairs.
Alright, so you quickly freshen up and join me downstairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
The truth will come. The truth will come and one day. There's nothing hiding. The truth will come. Just one day. One day. The truth will come out.
What sort of stupid question is that?
What are you doing here by this time of the night? Why are you looking up?
You, what are you doing here?
Okay. You're a witch. You're calling your members so that you won't fly out this night, Abby. You're not going anywhere.
Don't blame me.
Are you sure you're not a witch? You have to call your members so that you will fly with them. Holy Ghost fire will pursue you anywhere you are. Anything you are planning against my family, anything you are planning against this family, it never work for you. Anything that you are planning against this family, I cast and bind in Jesus' name. All of you there, she better go. Go and leave her. Go and never return to this family. Because anytime I see you in this house, fire will consume you. Nonsense. And not come there now. Just there that you will fly. Nobody will know where you will go. You just go there. You just have to do meeting. You come back. Don't blame me. Come and go. Let me see.
Why are you awake?
I couldn't sleep, so I said let me quickly go downstairs to get a cup of coffee.
Coffee? Why coffee?
I can't sleep.
But coffee will keep you awake for the rest of the night. Come. I guess you're stressed. Come, let me cuddle you. It's to keep you calm.
He gave you his heart. He gave you everything. He made you feel comfortable and ready to do more for you. You pay him back with evil. You scatter his lies. You disappoint him. You made him to feel ashamed and used. Feel ashamed and used. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself.
Are you blind? No, are you people okay? Are you normal? You don't have home training. You don't know that this place is house. That you are playing this music, dancing, and disturbing the neighborhood.
What is it? Why are you playing tantrums? So we cannot have fun? We're having fun, of course.
You want to have fun in somebody's house, squatter like you. You want to have fun, right? You want to have fun. You have forgotten that you are just a squatter here. Eh? You have forgotten you are squatting in this house. I'm talking to a person that came to visit the owner of the house. You are talking. I don't understand. I'm talking to you. So you don't know that if you want to dance, if you want to have fun, you go to club or you go to village square and display your madness there. You don't know. Eh?
You little brat. If you are being disturbed, why don't you go and find somewhere else to stay? What's your insult everybody?
This one is gone. Oh, you don't have sense. You don't have sense. You are itty-body body. This is another itty-body body in another person's body. You don't have sense. I just said now, if you want, this place is a house. Should I tell you when you are disturbing somebody? Must I tell you? Does this place look like a club? You are playing music, you should know that another person is sleeping inside and you are obviously disturbing the person. You don't need me to tell you or explain anything to you. Do you understand? If you were in America, by now they would have arrested you because you are disturbing somebody's peace. Yes. You are disturbing my peace.
Don't let me deal with you.
Don't let me. Guy, sit down and play shit for me. Let me talk to you. Shit for me. You want to beat me? You want to beat me? Beat me now, then you will not marry again. If you beat me, my uncle will not marry you. If you beat me, you remain single forever for the rest of your life. So if you raise the hand, you put it down because you cannot do anything. Go and sit down and please. Come and take the remote. Let me see it.
Come and give me that remote.
Will you beat me?
Give me that remote.
No, will you beat me? Come and beat me.
Give me that remote.
Beat me if you can beat me. Beat me now. You cannot beat me. You cannot beat me.
I know why I'm leaving you.
Why are you leaving me?
I know why I'm leaving you.
You're leaving me because you don't want to remain single for the rest of your life. You know that if you beat me, I'll tell my uncle and my uncle will not marry you again. That is why you don't want to beat me. Like this that you are now. I can beat you and you not do anything. Because you want this marriage fast. You want it hot. As it's the hot. You don't want to be among the single women association. You want to mingle. That is why. So allow me to display my own because you want marriage.
Thank your stars.
Idiot. You to thank your moons.
Thank your stars.
Go and sit down.
Look at this witch. This small witch. Short engine.
It's okay. All right? I apologize on her behalf. I know how you feel. Please.
Okay, sir.
Uncle, please, stop apologizing on my behalf. I did not do anything wrong. Please.
Enough. Don't you know it is improper to insult someone who is older than you? How many times will I teach you this?
Seriously, I'm not sure if this house is going to contain both of us.
Then everybody should give me space. You people should give me space. Now give me space. What is this? You don't want trouble. Me, I don't want trouble. Everybody should stay on their own now. Must give my trouble. I don't want to talk. I don't want to keep talking in this house. Everybody should mind their business.
Agidi, if you want some space, then go to your room.
Me, I will not repeat myself again. I will not repeat myself again. If I do that, it's only my own matter they will carry. They will not carry, they will not take it for time. If I do my own matter, they will carry it on their heads.
Please, my darling, I am so sorry. Sorry about the inconveniences. And please talk to your friend, Mabel. I understand how she feels. She has every right to feel that way. And things like this can be avoided. Okay? Good.
It's fine, sir. I've heard you. I'll try as much as I can to avoid her. I only have a few days left here. I'll try my best.
Yes, please do. Okay? I will need to go freshen up.
Okay, I'll also try to fix something for you to eat. Okay?
Good. And join me upstairs after that. Okay?
Can you imagine? This girl is really a bad girl that is not well behaved. She doesn't have respect for her elders. You would have told Mr. Henry everything. I don't trust that girl. You know Mr. Henry is not always at home. That witch.
Henry is her grace. But don't worry, trust me, I will deal with her. By the time I'm done with her. Wait, just pray, let this marriage work first.
You know, I find the program we saw the other day more interesting than this one. Do you like this?
I'm not really fan.
Really? That's because you've not been following up. Listen, if you watch it 1 or 2 times, you'll find it interesting. You know, you're a fan of taekwondo. I hope you don't snake in the monkey shadow my eyes one day.
Oh yeah, in same hands, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Why are you not chewing ginger?
I don't know. Why now? You'll be nice enough.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Can you don't start?
Hey. Okay, fine. I don't bite my hand.
Drop it.
Oh my God, okay, fine. You want?
Of course, I have to. I don't really like chin chin.
Really?
The shame and you. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself.
Mr. Henry, are you trying to tell me that you cannot choose a wife for yourself?
What do you mean, Mike? I'm not ready to settle down, yet I'm stressing myself with these whole girls.
How can a grown-up man like you tell me that you cannot even choose a wife for yourself? You left everything in the hands of that little girl.
I saw that question coming. But let me surprise you. Do you know everything Agidi tells me about these girls is always the truth? I'm telling you.
You know what? At this point, I will officially tell you that I am off. I can never give you any advice concerning any girl.
Okay, keep your advice to yourself. You need it more. I don't blame you now. Serious issues, you come up with this nonsensical attitude of yours. I beg, drink, make your body calm. Sure.
No problem.
That's a giddy of a girl. I think that girl is gifted. There's this spirit of truth in that girl. There's something special about that girl. I'm telling you honestly.
She's gifted.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I'm trying to communicate with you as my friend, but you're not listening. You're not listening. Ngwanu, you're asking me if I'm ready to get married. Go carry Okpo, come give me, make I marry now. God saved me from one.
I'm trying to give you advice as a relationship therapist.
Leave me alone. Relationship therapist, we don't get relationship. Just they play. Why is your friend still in this house?
Is her presence making you uncomfortable?
You know you have a few days to spend here. And she's not giving us the privacy we need.
Like I told you earlier, she's here because when she came around, I wasn't in my space. She will leave as soon as she gets her traveling document.
How long?
Like a week.
A week?
Yes.
If you say so. Come to bed.
You don't have anything to worry about. She's a very good friend of mine.
Come to bed.
Alright.
Pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself. Tell me who you are. Tell me if I can go right there. Oh my God. The truth will come at one day. There's no need in hiding. The truth will come.
I don't know you will come back at this time.
Is that supposed to be the explanation for this ungodly act?
I'm sorry. It's not what you think. It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
So it is true.
Agidi, I am running late to work. Please.
What I want to tell you is very important.
I am listening.
It's about that your Melissa girl. That Melissa girl is not who she claims to be.
Agidi, listen. I don't know what your business is when it has to do with the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Melissa is the kind of woman I want, and that is final.
Only if you know what I see every day in that house. Only if you know what she does with that her friend. That her fellow squatty. Only if you know. You will not be saying all these things.
Can you explain further? Because I don't understand.
It's not from my mouth to hear that monkey gave birth to 3 children and 5 died. If you want to understand what I'm saying, come to the house unannounced. Go straight to your bedroom. Your eyes will see what your ears cannot hear.
And where are you going? Explain further.
Come out. What do they have to understand?
Agidi, come back here and explain further. Agidi?
This girl. I trusted you. You asked me to permit your friends to stay under my roof for a few days simply because she was waiting for her traveling document. Not knowing she was your lover, your lesbian partner. Melissa, why?
No, I can't explain. I'm sorry, I can't explain.
I thought you were different. I am highly disappointed at you. You brought your friend under my roof to commit this abominable act. This shameless and ungodly.
I'm sorry.
I'm stepping out. Shut up and listen. I'm stepping out. I want you two to disappear from this house before I return. Else, you'll see the devilish part of me.
Goodness.
You should have been more careful.
Why should I do that?
Pretending to be what you're not. Stop pretending to be what you're not. Show yourself. Tell me who you are, Ellie. If I can cope, I'll cope. 'Cause one day, if it's a race, I'll come and the truth will come. The truth will come at one day. There's nothing hiding. The truth will come.
I found a wife for you.
And who is this wife?
The same lady that sheltered me when my auntie chased me out of her house. She's a hustler. She's nice, kind, to crown with all. She has a heart of gold. I know she might not be as rich as the other ladies I do see you with, but I can tell you that she's good.
Where does she live? You know I can't marry someone I don't know.
The same spot you picked me the other day.
Okay.
We can go there tomorrow if you want.
It's alright. Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome. Please go and sleep so that you won't have to think too much.
I will. Just go to your room and I'll go to mine, okay?
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
If I can cope, I'll cope. 'Cause one day, if it's a race, I'll come and the truth will come. The truth will come at one day. There's nothing hiding. The truth will come. Just one day, one day, the truth will come out.
This whole thing is becoming more stressful. We've been looking for her everywhere, yet she's nowhere to be found.
I've gotten a new address, but it's far. It's in a neighboring village, and it's 1 hour plus journey. Well, I think we should just leave it for today. Maybe tomorrow we'll continue since it's still weekend.
I don't know if I still want to continue with this whole thing. Yes. I don't think I want to keep looking for her.
Why?
Fed up already.
You don't need to say that. You promised to do this. Besides, we've started already. Let's finish what we started.
Easier said than done.
So, who is this angel we are waiting for?
Trust me, I don't even know. She was recommended by my searchmate.
Searchmate?
Yeah.
Who is this searchmate?
Agidi? Who else?
Bro, so let me tell you, you need to calm down, okay? Good things don't come easy. I don't understand. Good things don't come easily. Alright?
I know.
What do you mean by Agidi come?
Don't you think her shop should be somewhere around here? I think we have to ask questions. I should go. I should stop. Okay, let's go here. Let me ask this people. Hello, sorry, do you know number 3 Wadu close? You don't? Okay, we should go forward to the right. Right, then we go left. Okay. Okay. Remember, okay, he said right, then we go left. Okay. That should be at the other junction. That's a shop.
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
okay, okay.
Yes.
I thought you were in trouble.
No, I'm safe. Let me help you.
You spend your 5 plates.
I went to your former house. You said you're no longer living there.
I left there.
Why?
I don't have a reason. I got this place. It's lending for a house around this place. Yeah. My house is not far.
This place is fine. It's better. I like it. My sweet auntie.
Hey.
I came with my uncle.
I sold the only land I inherited from my parents, just to make you happy. Henry, please, make good use of this money. Please.
I thought I was going to miss this opportunity. But now, I am going to travel out.
Yes, you will. I did this because I want you to be happy.
I promise to make you proud. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So when are you leaving?
As soon as the documents are ready, I will keep you updated. I love you.
And I will always love you.
I love you too. And that's why I want you to be happy.
Thank you so much. I will not disappoint you. Okay? Yes. I came back 4 years ago, and I have been looking for you everywhere.
Henry, you left me broken. I was so lonely. I lost interest on so many things. I couldn't get a job after graduation, so I started doing petty trading.
I am sorry. I didn't know what to do at that point. Agidi here told me she knows someone that will make a good wife. Someone that helped her. I didn't know you were the one she was referring to.
You were the uncle she left with? Are you two related?
No. Just that I am the reason her cousin she stays with sends her out of the house.
Such a small one.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm so
You're
sorry.
not sorry. You left me.
I'm sorry. I know how you feel. Okay? Please.
He left me.
Please, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I still remember the promise I made to her before I traveled.
I feel so empty knowing that you're leaving me today. See, if I have my way, I'll tell you to stay back. But it's for good, so I'll let you go.
I promise to come back, okay? I will also contact you once I get there. We'll keep in touch. I will make sure you don't feel my absence that much. I'll do my best. I love you. You have nothing to worry about.
I love you too.
I know you do. I am running late. I need to start going.
Okay, let me see you after.
No. If you go with me, you will slow me down. I need to rush up. Okay? Let me hasten up. I love you. Don't worry. I'll see you soon. Yeah, the Zoom meeting by 11 a.m. Okay, this is... Oh, this is almost 10 a.m. Okay, you handle the rest, okay? I'll join, I'll connect. Alright? Okay, bye. Oh, shit. Oh.
This is the kind of stories I see in movies. So, they can be real.
What is real?
Destiny bringing people together.
You know, even when Agidi suggested her to me, I never thought she was someone I used to know. And when I met her, she didn't look interested.
Well, you don't have to blame her. You left quite a long time. 4 years. See, what I would suggest is you two need to sit down and iron things out. You need to talk it out. Okay?
Well, on my way home, I will definitely stop by to see her.
You really need to. Because as I'm seeing now, you're a little bit tensed. So you need to calm down. Alright? Because I believe you can handle this. You can handle it. So you need to just take it slow. Take it slow.
Mike, the issue is that she wasn't excited at all when she saw me. This is unlike her. I wish you understand.
From my own end, I would say that she is still in shock. Alright? From what you narrated, I would say she's still in shock. You left for a whole 4 years without communication. What do you expect her to do? See you and jump on you and no. This thing has to be a gradual process. 4 years. It's not 10 days. So you need to calm down and take it slow.
Hopefully, she will heal with time.
She needs to, because as I'm seeing now, she is the last bus stop. Yeah, this one now is the last bus stop.
Miracle, I want you back. Please say something.
Henry, let me ask you. When Agidi brought you here, if it was someone else, would you have married her? No. I need to understand, Henry. It's been 10 years. And a lot has happened.
I know. Listen, I searched for you when I returned, but you were nowhere to be found. I even went as far as checking on your auntie, and I was told she had passed on. How would I have been able to locate you? I am not a witch. See, Miracle, I believe destiny has brought us back together.
I thought I wasn't going to see you again. Though I'm single, but I need time. I need time to think about all this. I need time to process everything. Your sudden appearance, the prophesying of all and everything that comes with it. I need time.
Miracle, you have every right to sound this way, yes. But I want you to know this. You have always been one of the most important person in my life. And I don't want to lose you. I want you back, most especially now. Please.
Henry, like I said, I really do need time to think about it. Please.
Okay. This is my complimentary card. My phone number, house address, office address, everything is here. Have it. I will be expecting your call. Pick this call, okay? Hello? Okay.
is Auntie Miracle not yet here? Are you sure she's coming today?
Which of the question you want me to answer?
You don't want to marry her. I want both of you together. I mean, she suits you perfectly.
I don't think Auntie Miracle would want to marry me.
Says who?
Listen, Agidi. A lot has happened. You won't understand.
Her brain no pass her body. Call am small body, big engine. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Agidi jollof. Agidi, agidi. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Agidi jollof. Small body, big engine. On your mind. Agidi. This is serious info go. Small body, big engine. She know the giddy. She dey show them pepper. If you claim to be a big girl, Agidi get ready for you. You go see Agidi in action. Small body, big engine. If you claim to be a zege, Agidi get ready for you. Agidi, small body, big engine. Agidi.
You see, we have been searching for her everywhere, not knowing that she's in safe hands. You're welcome now.
Thank you, Papa.
You don't know how happy I am today. I'm very happy to see her.
You see, Papa, you don't have to worry about anything because Agidi in question is a very smart, intelligent, and blessed child.
Thank you for taking care of her. Her auntie sent her out of the house just because of anger. She regrets her actions. I know she'll be happy now to hear that we have found her.
She has forgiven her. As a matter of fact, I enrolled her in school. Yes. You see, Papa, you have nothing to worry about. My intentions for Agidi, your daughter, are pure.
Hey!
And I have decided to adopt her as my child. Yes, I will train her to any level.
Wow.
Yes.
This is good news. This is good. You know, I would have loved her to continue staying with me. I so much love her, but my strength has started failing me. I'm no longer as strong as I used to be. My son, I hope you are not deceiving me. All this you're telling me, I hope that from your heart.
Papa, I am not deceiving you in any way. God bear me witness. Okay? My intentions, like I said, are pure. And I promise you, the next time you see Agidi, you will not be able to recognize her.
Hey! 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 Thank you very much. You are truly a God sent. It's God that sent you. Thank you. Welcome now. You're welcome.
You go see Agidi in action. Small body, if you claim to be a zege, Agidi.
You've been staring at me without saying anything.
That's because I don't know where to start from. I want to watch you like this for the rest of my life. I want to wake up beside you every to see this angelic face of yours.
Being with you now has made me realize how much I have missed you.
I may not know where to start, but one thing is certain. It is you that I want. I want you to be mine forever. Will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you. Yes! Yes.
Thank you. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
She know the beauty, she dey show them pepper. If you claim to be a big girl, Agidi dey ready for you. You go see Agidi in action. Small body, if you claim to be a zege, Agidi dey ready for you. Agidi, small body, Agidi, Agidi dey ready for you.
And how is my baby doing? Agidi. My darling, if I am asked to count my blessings, I will count you multiple times. Our story made me believe in the word destiny, because we are destined to be together. And not just that, our story is as well miraculous, just like your name.
My love, I am so happy to be here. Just look at me. I'll soon be a mother of 2. My first child. And this one here.
My little prince.
I want another princess.
I suppose, Uncle. I want a prince.
Aha! Majority wins.
It's obvious both of you have conspired against me. I give up. A prince situation.
Okay. Prince. We're waiting for you.
We're waiting for you.
There must be sanity. I'm out to no be tomorrow thing. I did not agree at all. I beg you no look her size. Some. Her brain no pass her body. Call am small body, big engine. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Agidi jollof. Agidi. Agidi. Small body, big engine. Agidi jollof. Small body, big engine on your mind. Agidi. This is serious for God. Small body, big engine. She know the beauty. She dey show them pepper. If you claim to be a big girl, Agidi dey ready for you. You go see Agidi in action. Small body, big engine. If you claim to be a zege, Agidi dey ready for you. Agidi, small body, big engine. Agidi, Agidi dey ready for you. Ngigi, Agidi, small body, Agidi.